Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to adjust a bicycle kickstand. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is one example of a bicycle kickstand. Obviously this bike is seated upside down, and when you push the kickstand out, it goes out like that and it helps the bike stand up. Now on some of the more advanced kickstands, you can actually adjust the height of them because they can be used with bikes of different heights and with different size tires and so forth. Now to adjust them is really easy. If you'll notice, there are multiple holes on this, and then there is a screw that is secured into one of the holes. Okay, now what you have to do is remove this screw over here. Okay, now like I said, this is just one example, but the majority of them are going to be very, very similar, if not the same. So you're going to want to loosen this screw like this. Okay, this screw is a little bit stripped, unfortunately, but I can still loosen it. Okay, remove the screw. Then you're going to take your kickstand, and if you want to make it longer, you're going to go ahead and extend it down. Okay, so I'm making it longer by 2 notches right now. Okay, and then you're going to put the screw back in place. And obviously, you're going to use your screwdriver to tighten it nice and tightly because you don't want it to be too loose, or else your kickstand might collapse on you, which can cause your bike to actually fall. Okay, so that's how to make it longer. And instead, if I wanted to make it shorter, I would go ahead and I would remove that screw, like I said. Okay, and with the screw removed, I can make it shorter. So I'm going to really make it nice and really, really short, just like that. Okay, so I made it really short right now. And then you're going to go ahead and place the screw back in. And like I said, make sure that that screw is tightened up really, really nice and securely, because you want to make sure that when you place your kickstand down, you're not worried about the bike falling over or anything like that. Okay, that's basically it. That is how to adjust a bicycle kickstand. It's actually a really, really easy and simple process. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.